This is Heather Baker, and this is the Pictures Everywhere Beta video. The first thing that's seen when Pictures Everywhere is open is the galleries. There's 3 tabs. The first tab is the grid. There's also a map that shows pins for each of the captured photos that have GPS data associated with them. The user is also able to search the map for any place on the globe and have the map zoom to that location to be able to see a trip or something along those lines. Adding that EXIF data was definitely quite a bit of a challenge. There are quite a few tutorials on how to write the EXIF data, but not a lot of information on how to read the data. The user is also able to view their photos by the date they were captured in the calendar gallery. By clicking on one of the highlighted dates, they can see all of the photos that were captured on that day. The user is able to view any of the photos in any of these gallery views by clicking on the single photo, which will open it in the single photo activity, allowing the user to further see the photo and act upon it. The effects and sharing integrated into Pictures Everywhere are for that 90% of those college-age students that use picture sharing on social media. From any single photo view, the user is easily able to add any of 18 effects, stacking multiple effects on top of each other if so desired to achieve the perfect result before sharing the photo. For many of these effects, the user is able to configure them to their exact specifications by using sliders to choose from over 1 million colors, as well as values for specific effects. Once the user has achieved their desired result with the effects, they're able to share to Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, share or send on Facebook, as well as email and MMS. This allows the user to easily connect any of their favorite social media platforms to the Pictures Everywhere app. From this single photo view, the user is also able to share directly to any of the shared folders that they are either owner or contributor on, allowing an easier interface for those who come across a photo and want to quickly add it to the folder instead of needing to navigate to the shared folders and then find the photo again. From this menu, the user can also delete the photo from either their device, their backup, or both, allowing them to conserve space in backup or their phone easily all from one menu. The subscriptions of Pictures Everywhere is where the company is able to profit, allowing users to have the secure backup that they want, as well as giving Pictures Everywhere over $1 a month profit per paid user. For a user to use subscription features, they first need to sign in using the sign in page from the main options menu. The user is able to type in their sign in information and either sign up or sign in. They also have the option of clicking Facebook and going through the built-in Facebook prompts to use their Facebook account if they don't want to have additional login information to remember. From there, to start a subscription, there is a subscription button in the options menu that does disappear once a user has a subscription and reappears once a subscription is over. Going through the Google Play subscription process, the user is able to sign up for $1.99 a month, which will recur automatically until canceled. And this enables subscription features such as hosting shared folders, as well as backup and sync. The shared folders feature of Pictures Everywhere allows the users to share photos with anyone who has a Pictures Everywhere account. However, only subscribed users can host the folders as they're paying for the space that is located on the server. There is a safeguard in place ensuring that each user is only able to store 10 gigabytes of data, whether that data be from backup or from contributors sharing to the folders that they host. The shared folders can have photos added to them through a multi-select, allowing the user to add any photos that are stored on their device, as well as have them removed by a multi-select, allowing them to select from any photos that are in the folder. The host of the folder is also able to add a contributor to the folder by typing in the email address. There is error handling involved to ensure that the email address typed in is not only a valid email address, but is the email address of a user of Pictures Everywhere. They are also able to remove one of those contributors through a simple drop down menu, allowing the owner of the folder to curate who's able to add photos and view them. The data storage of Pictures Everywhere is what allows the company to profit, providing that 10 gigabytes of data for $1.99 a month and allowing over $1 profit for each user. By having a subscription, the user is now able to host those shared folders, of course, as well as export their photos to an organized folder on their SD card and back up any photos they desire to the server, as well as sync those photos back to their device or to a new device. So, on a new device, installing Pictures Everywhere, they're easily able to sign in, hit sync, and all of their photos will be now stored on that device for easy viewing and sharing. In the next phase of development, I will be thoroughly debugging and looking for efficiency within the application, looking for any small thing that I may have missed throughout the development process, as well as distributing the application to beta testers and allowing them to give feedback for possible improvements or any missed bugs. The application is now available for beta testing on the App Store for open beta testing, allowing up to 1,000 users.